We just learned that there are registry documents in Canada that show that Tesla has initiated talks with the Canadian federal government. The public records suggest Tesla has been talking with federal government officials in Canada over the last 6 months. We're talking about possible Gigafactory in Canada, and the factory rumors are now fueled by public documents about permits for Tesla. The latest lobbyist record was posted on August 12. It specifically covered Tesla exploring manufacturing opportunities in Canada and focused on speeding up permit timelines. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please like this video if you find this information that I'm about to share with you interesting. We will have to put this in front of more people. So we have talked about Tesla possibly having its next Gigafactory in Canada, and we're now learning that Tesla has been talking to the Canadian government in the past 6 months. Guess this. I said that if Tesla wants to build 20 million cars or 10 million cars by 2030, Tesla needs to have several gigafactories, and each gigafactory location and announcement takes months, if not a year or so, to build up to talk. Imagine that Tesla right now is probably talking to several locations for its next several gigafactories, not only one. So now we're learning that Tesla lobbyist registry documents in Canada hint that the electric vehicle automaker has initiated talks with the Canadian federal government. The public records suggest Tesla has been talking with federal government officials in Canada over the last 6 months. The latest lobbyist record was posted on August 12. It specifically covered Tesla exploring manufacturing opportunities in Canada and focused on speeding up permit timelines. Why Tesla wants to speed up permit timelines? Because Tesla wants to be sure that if they build a gigafactory in Canada, if they choose Canada as the location for its next gigafactory, it will be the permits, building permits and approvals will be just like at Gigafactory Austin in Texas, not like in Giga Berlin. Although it was record that Tesla built Giga Berlin in 2 years, or what it was, a year and a half, compared to the Berlin airport that took more than 10 years to complete. That's why Tesla want those talks with Canadian documents are about manufacturing opportunities in Canada and focused on speeding up permit timelines. Now, here are Tesla's updated lobbying objectives. Quote, now Tesla, as its lobbyist objectives, Tesla wrote this in its lobbyist objectives. Quote, seek government support to facilitate the engagement with provinces regarding permitting timelines to increase the competitiveness of Canada and its ability to attract capital through approvals timeframes that are competitive with other manufacturing locations, while working with government to identify incentives to further increase the attractiveness of Canada. This shows, now this is what Tesla wrote at its lobbyist objectives. Now what is important here? Did you see the word permit, permitting timeline, approvals timeframes? These are very important key phrases for Tesla. This means what is important for Tesla for the Canadian Gigafactory is how fast Canada or Canadian government can approve, and how fast the timeline will be for approvals, and how fast they can approve the permits for the final building inspection and so on. A spokesperson for Canada's Innovation, Science and Economic Development Minister François-Philippe Champagne told Teslarati that the country was working hard to ensure the auto industry's future. You need to know about Canada one thing. It's an important auto industry center. A lot of parts for your cars are built in Canada. Canada is a huge parts supplier for the automotive industry in the United States, and I believe elsewhere as well. So federal government officials have kept mum about Tesla and Canada's potential future together, notes Teslarati. Champagne confirmed that the two parties are talking in an interview. Here's what he said. We are engaging with Tesla as well, the minister told Electric Economy Canada. Now, here's Canada as a major EV supplier. You probably didn't know about this, did you? The 2022 Inflation Reduction Act will take effect by the end of the year. Automakers who wish to make a play or stay in the US electric vehicle industry will need to secure their supply chains across North America and its trading partners. At least 40% of electric vehicle battery materials must follow the low's sourcing requirements by 2024 to qualify for electric vehicle credits. Canada seems to be taking advantage of the Inflation Reduction Act's battery requirements to become a major electric vehicle supplier in North America. ISED is working with the minister of which François-Philippe Champagne is the minister, is working hard to attract all automakers and related auto companies worldwide, including Tesla. Canada recently signed separate agreements with Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz for electric vehicle battery materials. Canada is also a major Tesla supplier. Did you know this? Friends, magnets are significant electric vehicle components Canada aims to supply to automakers. Here's what Champagne said in an interview. He said, "We're looking at poppy foil, we're looking at electrolytes, we're looking at magnets, and there is more to come. Trust me," Champagne said in an interview and said, "I'm open, look at my smile. You know I'm not stopping there." Neodymium magnets are critical components for electric motors. China produces most of the world's neodymium and about 76% of the world's total rare earth magnets. The Tesla Model S and Model X use induction motors conceived by Nikola Tesla. Induction motors do not use permanent magnets. The Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model Y have permanent magnet synchronous motors which improve energy efficiency and extend battery life. Canada currently seems focused on providing the essential materials automakers need to manufacture electric cars. And Tesla has a history of building local supply chains for its gigafactories. It would make sense for Tesla to work with Canada as a supplier for its US-based factories. The Inflation Reduction Act clearly encourages electric vehicle manufacturers to source raw materials in North America and the US trading partners. So what do you think about next gigafactory being in Canada, friends? Looks like Tesla has been talking to Canadian government in the past 6 months, and the document showed that automaker has initiated talks with the federal government in Canada. And what's important for Tesla in all of this is to seek government support to facilitate the engagement with provinces regarding permitting timeline. So I think Tesla is going to see which province of Canada is willing to give the fastest permitting timeline and that can attract capital through approvals timeframes that are competitive with other manufacturing locations. This tells me that Tesla is also looking at other manufacturing locations elsewhere. So what do you think? I think this is very interesting. And if you like this report, please give it a thumbs up, like this video. If you found it interesting, friends, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell after you subscribe so you don't miss my next coverage. I look forward to your comments. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. See you soon in our next report.